I wanted to let the majority leader know, because when we raised this matter, he threw words as he usually does, alleging that I was part of the case that you've actually alluded to. So I wanted him to know that I was not part of the case and I was not aware of it. But Mr. Speaker, secondly, I take your guidance, and I think the House Business Committee and the House Rules Committee should take your guidance very seriously. We have amended our standing over twice since that decision of the court, on 6th of June 2020 and 7th of June 2022. This should have been factored. But last, Mr. Speaker, because the Speaker is always right, Mr. Speaker, I urge that the House Rules Committee, in considering your guidance, do actually consider the fact that although the decision says that the matter must be published and introduced, it does not say it must be debated before the budget. I want to suggest that it would be in order to have the budget, then the contents of it are then debated in the finance bill. That is, not to bring the second reading before the budget, so that the budget is heard, then we have the second reading, which is the debate, then we move logically, Mr. Speaker. But lastly, Mr. Speaker, I do now have a point of order on the next business, which is order number 13.
Order, Honorable Otiende. Order, Honorable Otiende. You are certainly taking unhelpful shortcuts. Honorable members, I will not allow you.